Hola amigos, my name is Maria and today I'm going to show you how to make a whole food, plant-based, oil-free version of the Puerto Rican classic Mofongo using an air fryer. That's next. Mofongo is made with green plantains. Get them as green as you can. Mine were not very green. That was the best I could do, but I have found this dish to be delicious even with plantains that are starting to ripen up. Air fryers are a great way to cut out the saturated fat in dishes like mofongo. The flavors of the plantain really came through without frying them in oil. Having an air fryer, you can still create delicious fried meals without adding any oily, greasy fat. Mofongo is usually made using a mortar and pestle. I don't recommend doing it that way because the plantains are air fried and they tend to be a little too dry for grinding down with the garlic. It can be done, but it would be slow. I find it easier to use a food processor, and that's what I prefer. The sauce is a bit like a stew. They tend to use shrimp and pork a lot in this dish, but today I'm using chickpeas in lieu of saturated fats. Following this lifestyle means that you want to avoid meat, dairy, and oils. For those of you who are new to my channel, I like showing you how to make healthy versions of Latino dishes, especially if you are looking to lose weight or reverse type 2 diabetes. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I'll be back soon with another delicious dish. Hasta luego!